In today's video, I will teach you how to make captions like Iman Gadzhi for short form videos. These videos are very popular and get a lot of views on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels and TikTok. We will be using an AI tool called submagic to do this. You can open it by clicking the first link in the description. If you are using this website for the first time, you will be asked to sign in. You can enter any of your Gmail IDs and sign in. I already have an account, so I will click here on login. On the submagic page, you can see that there is a large empty space over here. You can click anywhere here and you will be able to upload a video. I am selecting a random short video for this demonstration. After selecting the video, you have the option here to rename it. You can also choose the language of the video from here. As you can see, there are many languages in which we can generate subtitles. As this video is in English, I am selecting English. Now that we have given a name and chosen a language, click here on upload. The video will be uploaded within some time. As you can see, the video has been uploaded and this AI tool is generating the captions. The captions are finally ready. I will show you how amazing they look.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
Now, if you want to make any changes to the captions, you can click here to edit them. In most cases, there are no errors. You can also add emojis to make the text look even better. In order to further customize the text, there is this design option available over here. When you click on it, you can see that there are various types of fonts available over here which look like various other creators like Mr. Beast, Ali Abdaal and others. Now, since our video is about Iman Gadzhi subtitles, I will click here on Iman. As you can see, the font looks just like Iman. You can also change the alignment, shadow and other features of the text from here. I will play the video to show you that the captions look exactly the same as Iman Gadzhi.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
Whew.
So
Yeah.
he had to borrow it from someone else.
Yeah.
Another amazing feature of submagic is it can generate a short description for your video and you can use it directly. Just click here on description and you can use it as description whenever you upload your video. Once your video looks perfect, it is time to export it. Click here on pay and export. Do not worry, I will give you a coupon code and a money saving trick that will allow you to get captions for unlimited videos at the cost of even less than $1. On the payment page, choose the yearly plan because we get 20% off on the yearly plan. However, if you want to test it out first, you can also choose the monthly plan. Now you can see that there are two plans available, basic and pro. With basic plan, you can generate captions for 20 videos only. But with the pro plan, you can generate captions for unlimited videos. Which means if you generate captions for 80 videos in a month, each video will cost you $50 and the price will reduce with an increase in the video count. Plus, I will also tell how to get even more discount. I highly recommend the Pro plan because it lets you caption unlimited videos and also you can upload longer videos with a better upload speed. Under the Pro plan section, click here on Pay Now. On the payment page, there is an option here on the left hand side to enter the promotion code. Type WB Explainer in all caps and hit apply. You will get a discount of 10%, which means if you use the yearly plan and the promo code, you will get a total discount of 30%. If you go to freelancing websites, you will see that freelancers easily charge $5 to $10 for a single video and submagic allows you to do the same task at less than $50. Now that you have received all the possible discount, enter the remaining details over here and complete the payment. I hope this video will help you grow with your short form content. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.